Welcome mga kanamnam! Ngayon ay gagawa po tayo ng Goya Cream White Chocolate Cake. Tara at samahan niyo ako at sana ay mag-enjoy kayo!
Ingredients: a quarter cup oil, a half cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup cake flour, 1¼ cup brown sugar, Okay, let's start. Mix all the ingredients. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you, Woo. And it's ready. Let us steam for 1 hour. After 1 hour, surprise! For the Goya white chocolate, I only cut into square shape and put at the top of the chocolate cake. Enjoy! And hope to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.